Hello everyone, my name is Nazmi Ziara Hayu. You can call me Nazmi or Awi.
My name is Rafa Muhammad Waliki.
Hello, my name is Revi Wijaya.
My name is Johannes.
My name is Dedi Sunari.
I think bullying is such a harmful thing, and no one should deserve bullying at all. And it's such a thing that no one should should deserve it. Like it's so wrong thing.
Yes, I know, right?
I think bullying is an act that is done purposely and international to hurt someone, either physical, verbal, or emotionally. Bullying is not just about hurting or physical violence. Bullying also includes cursing, teasing, turning others, and so on.
Okay.
My opinion about bullying is, as from someone who came from bullying and who used to bully people, it's a very bad thing because it really affects the mental health of kids or who got bullied. And as from the perspective of the bully, like I used to be a bully back then when I was first grade. What I initially want from bullying is like people to like me, people to respect me, but that is not the right approach. So it's just not a good thing overall. If you want to try to befriend other people, that's not a very effective tactic or effective way to befriend them.
I think bullying is a serious problem that can harm people both physically and emotionally. It makes the victim like loneliness or worthless. So we must stop bullying, be a kind people, and speaking up out of the moment of bullying. So for bullying, I think people deserve to live with respect, peacefully.
So bullying can affect individual morally, mentally, or sometimes physically. So bullying can be in place like school, college, or even online place like social media. That's why there's a thing called cyberbullying. The victim of bullying may suffer to things like low self-esteem, anxiety, or in some extreme case, they may do some things like suicide.
Bullying is a social problem in the young generation from social media, and that is a wrong communication with one student and another student.
Okay.
I don't really think like how do I would do it if I were
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Yes. That's it?
yeah.
Okay, thank you for your time and for your insight. You're so beautiful. By the way, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I think it's one, conduction anti-bullying education, two, providing free counseling service, three, forming specialist handling teams, and the last, maybe working with schools to create a safe and friendly environment for our children.
Okay, thank you, Awi.
I would have done a campaign to schools and to teachers, students, or to just people overall to tell them that bullying is not something that they pick up, that kids pick up along the way. So it's just to spread awareness to kids, to people overall, because it's really affecting how they live throughout their life. As someone who came from bullying and who bully people, who used to bully people.
Of course, I will make a strong program for anti-bullying. I will also giving a suggestion, make a team that I will also providing counseling for victim and education for bullies, and I will make the team that create good solution for bullying. My goal would be to be a safe and caring environment where everyone can grow without fear.
Making a nationwide campaign targeting mainly to the parents and teacher bully, and doing some counseling to the victims of bullying. So either suicide.
If I become a social minister in Indonesia, I want to problem solving the bullying in young generation, or specific in the students until from elementary school, high school, until university, because the bullying is social destruction or social problem in the community of the young generation. Okay.
In my opinion about bullying is so bad. Bullying it can hurt each other, and bullying it can make people feel so bad and feel scared. We should take care for each other and speak up when something's wrong. And if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I will prevent the bullying through the education. I will provide free counseling service and run simple social awareness campaign. Thank you.
Balance bullying is an act that is done repeatedly and intentionally to hurt someone, either physically, verbally, or emotionally. Bullying is not just about hitting or physical violence. Bullying also rules, cursing, teasing, taunting others, and so on. Number two, if I minister of social affairs, what I will do to this problem? Okay, conducting anti-bullying education, providing free counseling service, forming special handling terms, and working with schools to create and safe and friendly environment for all children.
I think bullying is very wrong. It can hurt people's feelings and make them feel sad, feel scared, feel stressed, feel depressed, or feeling lonely. Bullying can happen at school, at work, or at the internet. The people who bully might feel to be more strong or better than other. If I were to become the Minister of Social Affairs, I would make education programs in school to teach the student about kindness, respect, and the effect of bullying.
Bullying is a aggressive, repeated action that involves an imbalance of power or strength. It can come at many forms like physical bullying, so verbal bullying, social or relation bullying, and cyberbullying. Bullying can cause consequence for victims like social emotional trauma, work performance, and educational performance that badly down. So what is the solution if I become Minister of Social Affairs? First, I would implement national awareness campaign. So the second is I will give a rehabilitation for a bullies. So the third solution is I will give the best treatment for the victims.
So, bullying is intentional and repeated aggressive behavior where someone uses power to hurt or control another person. It can be physical, social, or even cyberbullying. The goal is often to intimidate, embarrass, or dominate the victim. So, if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, here's the thing I would do. The first one is I would create a stronger connection between ministries. I would create a national anti-bullying with and collaborating with the Minister of Education, the Minister of Communication, and stuff like that. And the second one is change the culture around bullying, because sometimes in Indonesia bullying is often things as funny act, and I want to change that. I will support campaign in schools, and I would give a free consultation for the victim of the bully and for the bully himself. And I would teach in school that bullying is never acceptable, and we must build a culture that respects each other and spread kindness.
Bullying is an absolutely unacceptable act in any form. It not only hurts someone physically, but it also damages the victim mentally and emotionally. The second, if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I would one, create a national anti-bullying policy. The two, public education and campaign. The three, easily accessibility counseling service. The fourth, build a safe and confidential responding system.